This beautifully machined gauge speed calipers came off the motorcycle in the middle of a ride. Now, of course, that is not supposed to happen. Luckily, it was attached to these super strong stainless steel HEL braided lines which kept the caliper attached to the motorcycle. Otherwise, at 50 kilometers per hour, this caliper flying towards you can be fatal. Now, we did not find any broken bolts inside, which means nothing snapped. To make this caliper fit on this motorcycle, there are some spacers which are required, as you can see. There are dowel locators on the caliper mounting as well as inside the caliper. So you need a spacer which aligns the caliper perfectly center. The workshop that installed these calipers made these poorly machined spacers. It has space for dowel that sits on the fork clamp on the original side, but it has nothing on the other side, which means that the caliper is free to move about on this without any locator. We feel that is the reason that the bolts came loose. The only other reason is that the bolts were not torqued to spec. Once we identified the problem, we fired up a 3D printer and my awesome CAD skills, and we carried up a spacer that is right. We first 3D printed it to check fitment. Once we were sure that the fitment is right, we then got it machined in aluminium to handle the strength of the torque, and now that is going to hold the caliper perfectly in place. To go with these snazzy calipers, we've got some snazzy bolts from Pro Bolt. These are titanium, super light, and now that is a correct match for those calipers. At Zenjin, we don't do just installation, we do a lot of engineering to make sure that the installation is done the right way. And that is why we are regarded as one of the most expensive shops in Mumbai.